Hello everyone, Christian here. Porch pirates are taking over. 1 in 3 Americans have had a package stolen, and also 1 in 10 packages in the US arrives damaged. So Shopify has a new solution, that's shipping insurance. No matter if you have a clothing store or a pet shop, shipping insurance can offer an extra layer of protection when you send items to your customers. And for customers, it can be a frustrating experience having to contact shipping carriers, having to go through the process of awaiting a reimbursement via the claims process. So it's just a pain for the customer, right, to have to go through that process. And most importantly, that whole ordeal can damage that repeat purchase of that potential customer. So here's a quote: nearly 40% of shoppers are unlikely to give retailers a second chance after a poor delivery experience. So let's talk about shipping insurance. What is shipping insurance? So Shopify has included now automatically up to $200 for eligible labels purchased through Shopify shipping. So they're partnering with Ship Insurance, and this included insurance is available to businesses on the Shopify, the Advanced, and the Shopify Plus plans, and it applies to US origin, domestic and international shipments. So it just has to make sure that it comes out of the US, but it can be domestic or it can be anywhere around the world. If you subscribe to the basic plan, it doesn't automatically tack on to the shipping label, but you can actually buy the shipping insurance at a competitive price. If you want the full explanation, we'll make sure to put in a link in the description with the ship insurance coverage terms. I do want to just kind of mention a couple things in there. When you click on that link, it will give you, that sort of the small lettering, right? And it gives you, how the claim disputes work, claim requirements, and all that kind of stuff. And one of the biggest things is like the exclusions list, right? There are things that are not covered with this plan. So I would highly suggest to click on that link and look at some of those things, because there are certain products that are not covered. So things like tickets or gift cards or neon signs, glass, window, cotton, flowers. So there's quite a few things in there. So make sure that you go through that to understand that a little bit better. And obviously shipping to different countries, like I know we mentioned about international, but not all countries are technically covered under the shipping insurance. Now, before we touch on the benefits of shipping insurance, I just want to say bienvenidos. My name is Christian Piñon, one of the co-founders here at Bit Branding. We're an e-commerce growth agency that specializes in helping clothing stores grow and scale profitably online. We drop new videos every week, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. So let's go over the benefits of shipping insurance. You can ship and deliver stress-free, right? So no matter what happens to your shipments while in transit or upon delivery, your peace of mind, right, that you're covered for package damage, loss, and theft on, again, eligible orders. Number 2, you can save time and money on the replacement. So in case a shipment needs to be replaced, you can recoup the value of the original merchandise, again, damaged, lost, or stolen, plus the shipping cost. To do that, you can just file the claims directly from the Shopify admin, which only literally takes a minute, and it speeds up the process significantly. Number 3, you provide just a better buying experience for your customers. You can also communicate your shipping insurance coverage on your site's FAQ, product, shipping, return pages, etc., to again help reassure and convert customers. This is going to help you with conversions because they're going to know, hey, my package is going to be covered within this. So if they experience a lot of theft or they've experienced loss or damage, then they have that peace of mind that their packages and their items are covered under this insurance. And obviously with that, you improve your repeat sales, right? With easier and more comprehensive shipping insurance coverage, you automatically pass on the convenience and shipping protection to your customers, which again helps build that trust and loyalty with them. Now, shipping insurance helps you boost conversions, and in order to track conversions better, we're using a tool called Triple Whale for all of our client and group coaching members. This powerhouse of a tool allows you to see lifetime value of a customer at 30, 60, 90 days. And we're really excited about a very specific thing. It's called estimated action of customers. So imagine just being able to send out emails or run ad campaigns to customers who are likely to buy from you a second or third time, right? And you know that they're going to come back because you have shipping insurance. Knowing when to send out these marketing messages, it's very, very powerful. Triple Whale centralizes the metrics, right, from all of the tools that you use right into your pocket. They simplify, inform, and save you time. Make sure to check out the link in the description below. So we kind of touched on how do you qualify a little bit earlier in the video, but let's just dive a little bit deeper into what packages actually qualify for shipping insurance. And again, like we said, shipping insurance is automatically included up to $200. Anything beyond that, I think you do up to $5,000, you have to just shell out a little bit more money, which is not a whole bunch either. Your shipment must meet the following criteria in order to qualify for the included shipping insurance of the $200 in order value. So number one, your business is on the, again, Shopify Advanced or Shopify Plus plan. Number two, the shipment is shipped from the United States. Number three, the label is purchased through Shopify shipping. And number four, your store has Shopify payments activated. Number five, the label has a tracking number included. And lastly, the products comply with ShipSurance terms of service. And then the products compliant, again, is that link in the description that we have, where I kind of briefly talked about, you know, the fact that you can't do cash or anything regarding guns or hemp-derived products, glass, tobacco, cotton, eggs, perishable products. So there's a whole list of a lot of different items in there that you want to make sure that you know what's going to be included. Again, shipping insurance, it's going to be great for your store and great for conversions. And again, ease of mind and building trust with your customers. I will say shipping insurance is pretty new, so it might be still in early access or limited availability. So if you don't have it immediately on your store, then just know that it will be coming in the future to more stores. Again, you can ensure that your shipment is insured. Yeah. When you buy the actual shipping label, and again, take into consideration all the things that we talked about. Again, it's something that is going to be very, very beneficial for store owners. Let us know if you have any questions down below. We might be able to make a part 2 on this video or even answer some of your questions. See you on the next one.